Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a review on Elansa 100% pure essential oil. So this is an Amazon exclusive product. You will only get in amazon.com, and I will provide the link of this product in the description box. But if you want to know more about this product and what are the different uses and benefits of those essential oils, then you please keep on watching. All talk about essential oils, but do we actually know what an essential oil is and what it does? Actually, the essential oils are volatile compounds which are derived from natural sources and plants. So it becomes very important to identify and select a original and worth brand for an essential oil, because if you see, there are many local brands which say that they are 100% natural and original and derived from natural sources. There are chances that you get cheated with all those companies. So while I was surfing through amazon.com, I have came across with this brand, that is Elansa essential oil, and they claim to be 100% pure, and I have seen all the ratings and reviews for this essential oil and the brand, and then I have decided that I will see and I will review them for you. Coming to the packaging part, it comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, wherein you open it, and then you will get to see a box which is supporting the inside contains, and when you remove this box, you get the bottle of essential oil, and then you get a dispenser or a dropper which is secured with a box, and inside the box there is a small hole and there is a sponge inserted inside it, so that every time you use, you keep it inside the sponge so that an excess oil or whatever is there in the dispenser, it will get soaked with the help of the sponge. Now this is the essential oil bottle, and this is of 15 ml bottle, and I actually very like the packaging of the bottle, wherein it is giving a very matte kind of finish, and this is a glass bottle, and it is sealed. Now it is open because I have just seen and tested some of the essential oil, so that it will be easy for me to do a review. But in whole, the bottle is very attractive and it is very sturdy. Now talking about the outside packaging, what special is about the outside packaging and the box which I liked the most is everything is mentioned so nicely and in so readable format and mode, so that if any person is ordering an essential oil from Elansa and knows nothing about the uses and how they will best utilize this essential oil, don't worry, everything is mentioned in the box, and you can easily read and easily identify that what are the best ways you can use the essential oils. Personally for me also, the points which are mentioned all over the packaging, and I will tell you later on. So I also got to know that okay, these are also the other way which I can use, and those are also very useful ways they have mentioned in the package, which actually is a very commendable part. They have maintained a very small details also to include and conclude all the different benefits and different ways you can use the essential oils. So in this side you will get to see all the the different form of uses and different ways they have mentioned it in a very descriptive way, so that it will be easy for you to understand and do it as it is mentioned here. In the other part they have mentioned the precautions and the storage ways, if you are not aware how to store it and what are the precautions that has to be taken when you have this essential oil, they have also mentioned it here. And the other, in the back side they have given the suggestion of use, different ways you can use it, and the suggestion which they felt that are the very useful ways to use an essential oil. They have mentioned it here. And in the down you will get to see the actual price of the product, the manufacturing and the expiry date. Now first let's talk about the citronella essential oil. So I don't think I have to tell you about the fragrance and the aroma of citronella oil. This is famous for its own aroma, and I personally like the most as when I'm surrounded with this fragrance I feel refreshed, and this is my personal thought, and that's why I thought of ordering it. So the different benefits of this citronella essential oils are. Traditional benefits of citronella essential oils are, as we already know, it is having an antiseptic, antimicrobial and antibacterial, antifungal properties, and it has a natural insect killing properties also. And other than these properties, it also helps in improving your hair texture and rejuvenate your skin, boost your mood and reduce your stress also. Now talking about the different uses of this essential oil is, you can always use it as a diffuser. You can always dip small cotton balls into this essential oil, and you can keep those cotton balls inside your wardrobe wherein you store your clothes, so that your clothes will be all smelt and smelt with the perfume of this citronella oil, because it is also beneficial for insect killing properties. So it will, the cotton balls will make sure that your wardrobe is free of cockroaches and other insects. And also, as I told you earlier, that it is having a benefit to your skin and hair as well. You can use it with 1 to 2 drops of this essential oil to your regular use shampoo, and sometimes also you can use it with your regular use moisturizer. Now the next one is Elansa tea tree oil. So we all know about antimicrobial, antiseptic, antifungal properties of tea tree oil. So the suggested uses of this are, you can use it in acne, you can use it in dandruff removal, you can use it in foot care, cuticle cares, you can even use it in sore smoother or cold care, and you can also use it as a insect killer or room freshener. Coming to the different uses of tea tree oil, so there is not much thing to say about tea tree oil. We'll all know that for what tea tree oil is famous. Yes, it is for acne. So the person or the girls who are really have a very acne prone skin, they can undoubtedly use this with their regular moisturizer to get a pimple free and the infection free skin. And also, not only moisturizer, if your skin is really very pimple prone, you can also use rather than having a tea tree oil product or tea tree oil moisturizer, you can carry them with your moisturizer, you can carry them with your regular face wash, even as a dandruff killing agent by applying or using it with your shampoo and everything. If you have a pimple prone skin, other than skin, it has also benefits. You can use it as diffuser, you can use it, some drops in the carrier oil of this essential oil can be also used as a relaxed massager, and also in the house to make your personal goods infection free and disinfectant. You can always use them as a disinfectant agent also. Now coming to the next one, which is Elansa lemon essential oil. It is very famous for its citrusy and fruity fragrance. Along with it, it has a very good antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Also, it is very helpful for insect controls. Suggested uses are stress relief, room freshener, perfumed cloth, skin balancer, hair improver, disinfectant powder, inflammation relief, and also can be used as a massage oil in any carrier oils. Other than that, the common properties with which all the essential oils are having, that is, you can use it as diffuser. You can, this lemon essential oil, you can also use it in your regular use moisturizer and regular use shampoo and body conditioner also. Other than that, it has a very good mood lifting property, and this I have definitely tested, so I'll be able to tell you that, where at the time of bath or just before the bath, if you just take some 2 to 3 drops of this essential oil and rub it between your palms and just inhale it, you will, in a fraction of second, you will realize that you had a very mood lift up, and it will definitely give you a nice and very aromatic feeling. Just try this and see that how useful it for you. It was for me, that's why I just shared this thought with you. Okay, so that was all for today, and hope you liked this video. So that was all about the Elansa essential oil, and they have a total of, I guess, 15 varieties of essential oil in their collection. And as I told you earlier, they are exclusively available on Amazon, and if you buy it from Amazon, you will get a good discount on this essential oil, and it is very much worthy, and it is very much 100% natural. Other than trying any local essential oil, I will suggest you to invest in Elansa. And yes, I will give the link of Elansa essential oil in the description box. Please go ahead and try the 3 which I have used. I love the most, that's why I have ordered it. There are many other variants like lavenders, roses, and all. I think 15 are quite a good count, and you will get your favorite fragrance in this. That's what I believe. So please go ahead and check. Till then, bye bye.